Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have a 14 by 14 inch canvas, and I have primed the edges where you can see black. I'm going to grab an OXO omelet turning spatula and wish I'd cleaned more of them. Oh boy. Okay, well, that's what I have a studio rag for. So now I have some white paint into the zone where I'm going to endeavor to put black paint. This could take a moment. This could take longer if I have moved my paint. No, there's my paint. I thought I was going to do this in a zigzag pattern, but it didn't turn out to be the way I wanted it to be when I tried it the one time I did. So, this is the Meeden black paint, the best black base coat that I know of. And because they sell it in fairly good sized jugs for a decent price, because it covers in one coat, that makes it economical. Also, I have a recipe where if you add 2% distilled water to my regular recipe, it's a cell activator, just generally in use. I haven't used the colors. I've heard good things about them, but I haven't used them. I use white and black. And I'm going to grab a scrape dish, scrape off my black color for now, clean my spatula off. I have a very large, I have a swipe card that I have right here and a backup. I also have colors that I love. I'm going to start with my amethyst. I'm going to put some electric blue in there. The electric blue is from Arteza. The amethyst is from Artist Loft. This is Folk Art Neon Purple. And hopefully finish with golden, Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. And I'm going to use the Australian Floetrol. Get my torch out of the way. I want some more paint. You know what? I'm going to put some hot orchid in there too. That's from Color Art. It's a prism pour. Turn that around. Pick the smoothest side I can find. Put a fairly copious amount of my cell activator onto my card. Blow it ever so slightly toward my edge. And cautiously try and flip it over. All in one go. I see that I'm dragging something and I'm not sure what it is, but I'm not unhappy with what I've got so far. I wanted a fairly simple but nice and celly swipe, and that's what I've got so far. Do I want to add anything else to it? I don't think so. I'm going to try and do the exact same thing again. A little closer to the edge. In the exact same zone. Tip it back, tip it forward, flip it over, insert it. I'm inclined to tip the larger cell side toward the smaller cell side just because It seems like a good idea to me. I'm going to torch. I'm going to put a little bit of electric blue right there on that white mark because it's kind of bugging me. And use my finger to fill in on the edge. And then I'm going to torch. I got some white in there. That's interesting. Okay. So that's pretty slick and pretty simple. And I like it. It's everything I wanted it to be. If you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. I really appreciate that. Do I have a straw? I want to move that electric blue a little bit. Your comments keep my morale boosted. Your donations help keep me painting. If you're somebody who wants to help keep me painting, then make a donation through PayPal or Patreon. The icons are on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. If you do so, and you can see the prizes for the monthly drawing in the exhibition video that's on the end screens of every video. In the last 20 seconds, you'll find it right there. I'm just stealing any paint that I've got. That's it. My link tree is underneath the video. It's got Le Gallerist clothing from Montreal. It's got my webpage. It's got Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. It's got my Facebook groups. It's got everything you could want and more. If you have questions, please ask me in the comments. I'll be happy to get back to you if I can. And I'll let you know if I can't. My email address, should you be interested in purchasing an artwork, is... I want to fix that. I can, too. I have a tool. These tools you can make. That's not the right stuff. I was almost going to use the Meeden. There's a video on how to make these tools. And these tools are really cool. I love them. They do great smear, they do great swipe, and now they're doing excellent bloom into the bucket with it. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm going to try and zoom in on those wonderful cells. Really simple. Today while I'm doing this, it's the 4th of July, so it kind of looks like fireworks. Check my community board for tomorrow's video. I have over 2,100 videos. And if you have an interest in them, they're on playlists by topic and genre and by the 100. If you have a question, please feel free to ask me about a link. My Amazon link has the OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatulas, my 2 books, Because I Can, and Unlimited Possibilities, and a whole lot of other good stuff. And if you ever need a link and you can't get one, just ask me. Again, I'll be happy to help you. My paint pouring recipe is under Show More when you click Show More under the video. And if you can't click Show More under the video because you're on a cell phone or a tablet, then just ask me because everything is saved, ready to copy and paste. And I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, encouraging you to come back soon because I post 7 days a week and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. also. And there's Teespring clothing under the video. Check it out. All over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. And some cats recently, too. Very cool stuff. Bye for now. Priscilla out.